If Siri has stopped working after an iOS update, then let us see some things that you can do in order to fix the issue. Go to settings here, and then you have to go to this option Siri and search. Make sure that listen for Hey Siri is enabled. Also make sure press side button for Siri and allow Siri when locked. All these options are enabled. The other thing that you can do is you can go to Siri voice and you can change the variety. Instead of American, you can select Australian, British, anything you want.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Also what you can do is from voice you can change the voice option.
Hi, I'm Siri.
So once you do this one, go back, go to settings again, and from here what you do is go to accessibility, and here select Siri, and for this spoken responses you select this option prefer spoken responses. Also make sure always listen for Hey Siri is selected. Now once you have done this one, try to check if the Siri will work or not. The last thing that you can do is you can go to settings here, you can go to this option general, go to this option transfer or reset iPhone and select reset, and you have to select this option reset all settings, enter the passcode of your iPhone, and then you have to reset this option reset all settings. No data will be deleted from your phone, but if you have made any customizations, that will be removed. Also the password of the Wi-Fi will be removed. You need to again put the password. So do all of these things and check if the Siri will work or not.